Hi everyone. Just going to quickly go over my opinion on where I believe natural gas is headed in the not too distant future. I took a short-term long position and I'm targeting around the $2.05, $2.10 area. So I'm sure if you clicked on this video, then you've probably seen that crude oil has had an absolutely ridiculous rundown in prices. I think at one point they even went negative. Reason being is that there just isn't enough demand given the economic shutdowns around the world. OPEC made cuts not too long ago in order to turn prices around, but the overall supply is just too large for the amount of demand that's out there. A lot of oil producing companies are even going through shutdowns as a result. Many of these companies are also natural gas producing companies. Natural gas is actually extracted from oil, and when you restrict the supply of oil, you're also restricting the supply of natural gas. And restricting the supply of something, you're likely to see prices start to climb once demand starts to come back online. And I do expect crude oil demand to eventually come back online once these shutdowns end, but for now, I see natural gas as a better opportunity, especially looking at the chart over here. So we can see three rejections from the lower trend line over here, and we can see two higher highs as well. And this rejection right here is where I entered around the $1.70 area, and I expect price to shoot upwards from here, or at the very least meander upwards to either the $2.05, $2.10 area. And for whatever reason it doesn't work out, I do have a stop loss in place, and it's around the $1.53 area. So I have a fundamental bias on the direction given the supply restrictions. I have a solid technical structure and I have a stop loss in place. And that's just a small look at the framework I have for making an active investment. For those of you that are interested in seeing the viability of active investing, I plan on starting a series that tracks two separate accounts. The first account is a passive investment account, one that is just a typical stocks and bonds preset from M1 Finance, one that a lot of financial planners and advisors recommend for younger folks. And the second account will be a lot more active. I'll probably go over some news and give my interpretation or opinion on it, then I'll overlay that opinion on top of a chart. The accounts are starting out very small, so I think it'll be a lot of fun to track their progress and hopefully grow throughout these series of videos. And I think there will be something for everyone interested in investing, and I think at the very least it'll be insightful for whoever watches it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Have a nice day, everybody.